Hello, sweet sim. Welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. If today is your first time tuning in, you are highly welcome. On this video, I want to show you how to cook your jollof rice in a simple way. Shall we? In a clean pot, add in your cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Let this oil to hot for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you can add in your blended ingredients, your ginger and your garlic paste to fry for 1 minute. You have to give this ginger and garlic a very good stir so that the ginger and garlic will have a very good fry. Just give this 1 minute fry before adding any other ingredients. Now you can introduce your chopped onions. Add it inside the oil, then give it a very good stir and let this to fry for just 1 minute before adding any other ingredients. Now it's time for you to introduce your fresh tomato. Tomatoes I am using here is chopped tomato. You can as well blend your tomato. You can as well slice it like this. Fry the tomatoes very well until the tomatoes take out the sour taste. You have to fry this about 5 to 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, you come to check on the tomato. This is the outcome. You see the difference is clear. Now the tomatoes has been fried for 6 minutes and this is how it look. Just give it a very good stir before adding any other ingredients. Now it's time for you to introduce your tomato sauce. You can make use of tomato sauce. You can as well make use of your tomato paste. Any of it is useful. This tomato sauce is actually made by me. I have the full video on my channel. I'm going to drop the link on my description box. If you haven't watched the video how I make my tomato sauce, you have to watch. It's very helpful. After adding the tomato sauce, you have to give it a very good stir and fry this for 15 to 20 minutes until the tomato is well fried. First, you have to introduce your seasoning cubes. You can always use any seasoning cubes of your choice. So I will add 1 seasoning cubes and salt to taste. At this point, you have to give this a very good stir so you can help the tomatoes and the seasoning cubes to get combined. Give it a stir and let this to fry for 20 minutes until the tomato is well fried. After 20 minutes, you can take a good look at this tomato. You can see that this is already fried and is well fried. Just give it a gentle stir before adding your rice. Here I have already washed rice. So this rice has already washed with hot water. You can always wash your rice with hot water. You can always parboil your rice before washing with cold water. So now you can add everything, then stir everything together until the rice and the stew get combined. Now you can introduce your stock water if you have any. Then after introducing your stock water, you have to give this a very good stir and a very gentle stir. Then if you have any other water to add, at this point you are free to add any other water. Then this is the time for you to add water that will enable the rice to get cooked. See on it guys, we have to still have some seasoning cubes. So now I will add all-purpose seasoning. This seasoning that I'm adding now is helping the rice to have a very good taste. So this is very important to add at this point. So just add the seasoning cubes and give it a stir. You can always season with anything of your choice. As I said earlier, any seasoning you think is good for you, you can always use it to season your food. Now it's time for you to cover the rice with foil paper. Covering the rice with foil paper is very important. It will enable the rice to get quick dried, and it will still enable the rice not to stick together after cooking. So that is why you have to use your foil paper to cover your rice anytime you are cooking, especially jollof rice. Then cover for 20 minutes cook. After 20 minutes, this is the rice it has cooked. Then open and see the outcome. Here is the outcome of the rice after 20 minutes. So you see how this look. Now you can introduce your butter. After adding your butter, you can add in your burnt pepper and your hot pepper. This is optional. You can always make use of hot pepper. You can skip the burnt pepper. Then give it a very good stir. You can look at this jollof rice. It's just calling for your plate. At this point, it's not ready, but it's looking as if it's ready. Just take a good look at this. Give it a gentle stir. Then make sure that all the ingredients get combined. The hot pepper and the rice get combined, because we are still giving extra 5 minutes cook. Now you can just cover the rice for just 5 minutes cook. After 5 minutes, open the rice and see the outcome. Just take a good look at the outcome I am seeing here. Now you see how this rice look. Just give it a gentle stir. Look at this. Did you see the good work of this foil paper? You see that this rice is just not sticking together. That is the reason why you have to cover your rice with foil paper. It's very important. It will enable the rice not to stick together, and it will enable the rice to have a good and lovely outcome. Just take a good look at this jollof rice. Just simple and easy jollof rice with a very good taste come out from it. Just take a good look at that. Just give it a gentle stir, because this is ready to serve. The jollof rice is ready. It's time for you to serve for your family to enjoy. You can use it for your get-together. You can use this for any occasion of your choice. It's just a simple way you can put your jollof rice together and it's ready to eat. If you like this process, don't forget to give it a try. And drop it in the comment section if this tomato sauce that I make did a great job. I want to know in the comment section. So drop it, I want to know. And if you watch it, let me know. If you give it a try, let me know. And if you haven't shared the tomato sauce video, please, I'm dropping the link in my description box. You have to share it for me. Share it and I will appreciate you so much. Don't forget to give it a try. It's very important. So my people, this is all about this video. Just dish out for you and your family to enjoy. So let me see you in my next one. If you really enjoy watching, as I said, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share this post and drop your comment. Let the B love you and I will keep on loving you. Let me see you all in my next video. Bye bye.